This video is in collaboration with Excursionista. Hello lovelies, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Sha. Today I will be showing you guys how I pack my carry-on luggage. I will be working with Excursionista travel bag. If you're interested to see how I intend to use this bag, keep watching. Let's go ahead and unbox. It came like this. Excursionista packless travel mug. I like this. These are the things I will pack in my carry-on luggage using Excursionista travel bag. Let's do this. We have a dust bag, a postcard which explains how to use the bag. We have small, medium, and large. Look at that. I love the pretty image on the bag. Another one. Another one. This is really big. Really big. Yes, it's big. This is really big. 8 bags in total. Right, I will be using my tab because I love to type down everything so I don't mix anything. This works, trust me. Here is my carry-on luggage. I will be going for 3 days, so I don't need much. My tracksuits, tops, and workout clothes. My pints, 3 of them. My underwear bag. Jewelries. I will be using barrettes, so I have 2 of them. Two shoes. 2 bags. I don't like using towels in hotel rooms, so I love to go with mine. Nightwear. Hair cover. My scarf. Headbands. My travel perfumes. This is actually from my perfume collection. Of course, sunglasses. Yes, I love sunglasses. I can't do without my sunglasses. So
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
I will be using this Excursionista travel bag in 4 easy steps. Step 1. I put my clothes in the storage bag. Step 2. Zip it up, holding the handy clips to close the bag. Like so. Step 3. Roll the bag. There is a place on the bottom that opens up to let air out. Get all the air out of the bag. Is a lot more compressed. That's it. Step 4. Place in the luggage. And voila! That's all about it. I'll go ahead and pack the rest. Like so. I always love to go through my list, making sure everything is in my carry-on luggage. Magazine on top so I can reach it easily up there. I have my head pins, headband, my bag, this side. Excursionista travel bag is really good for traveling and storage at home. I love the fact that it's reusable, easy to open and close, lightweight. It saved weight and space in my bag. Really easy to use, I must say. I'll go ahead, freshen up, makeup, and ready to fly. I feel like a packing pro. I will put the link down below. I have 25% off their travel compression bags for you lovelies. Are you still here? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and purchase yours. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.